How to use Capcut to create stop motion videos. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can use your Capcut app to create your motion videos. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Capcut application from your device. Then tap on New Project. As you add your project, you will see your edit option on your bottom left corner. Tap on to edit. Then here tap on to style. You will see a lot of styles that are free and for pro users. Under the face swap, you will find a filter of auto velocity. Tap onto it, and after you are done applying it, your video will stop creating motion videos. This is how you can do it. Once you have rendered the video, you can use it wherever you want. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will catch you up in our next upload. Till then, stay updated.